Hi guys, welcome to this quick review of this solar torch lights from XMCOSY. The listing on Amazon says solar flickering flame torch lights. It's a outdoor 4-pack with 2 modes. It has a matte lampshade, automatic on off, and works really nice as pathway lights. Solar powered, IP65, waterproof, and here you have it after 3 weeks. I didn't want to show you that right from the beginning. I wanted to show you how they are holding up after 3 weeks outside. So even though it looks like brand new, it has been outside for 3 weeks in a lot of heat and rain and sun and everything. That's crazy, and it looks absolutely like new. When I hold my hand here, you can see how nicely this is illuminated, and it's still very bright here inside, but during the night it's of course much nicer to see. And this is very easy to assemble. I got it in a box with 4 of them. You can see they come in 4 pieces. You have the top, and then you have the upper part of the pole, and then you have the lower part of the pole, and then you have the ground spike. This comes in 4 pieces. You have to just push these pieces together. It's very easy, and then you can put it outside and then leave it there. And it's really strong. You can see it's very strong. It needs a lot of power to remove everything, and also here the joints look very nicely. You can see there's absolutely no wear and tear, there's no rust. This has been really outside. You can see that here there's still some dirt here on the ground spike, but you can see that it is a really good quality. We even had some really strong storms, and they have been resisting easily. They're absolutely waterproof. You can open the light here easily, and you can see how this looks and how it works. It has 3 different modes. It has the off setting, then the setting here in the middle with this warm light, steady warm light, and then on top you have this flickering, really nice, super warm torch light, which we love actually the most. I've been trying both of them for 2 nights, and me and my wife, we have decided to go permanently with this flickering torch light because it's so beautiful, not only for Halloween or so. This is very beautiful for all year round. And the really great thing here is that the light lasts very long. I mean, it looks like that the solar panel is very efficient and it has a decent size, so these lights almost last for the whole night, even though we have it placed in an area which is right underneath a large tree, and so it gets very minimal direct sunlight only. And the crazier thing is that we had them outside last week, of course, the whole time, and last week there was a period of rain, only cloud and rain and no sun for 3 days in a row, and these lights were still on during the almost the whole night. I've been checking on my camera. My security camera showed that they have been illuminated till almost 3 o'clock in the morning, even after 3 days without any kind of sun, and before as well, sitting underneath this large tree. This is crazy. I mean, during this time when these lights were still on, no other solar lights were on. I mean, I have a lot of other solar lights in my backyard, and they have all been turned off after 2 days without sun, and these lights were still shining. Of course, in this mode it's a little bit limited illumination. If you're planning to illuminate the whole pathway or so, if you have like a nice pathway and you want to illuminate, you need definitely to go into this mode where the illumination time is a little bit limited. You can see the difference here. I mean, here we are inside, it's very bright, and you can still see the impact from this LED here with the torch function. It's a little bit more limited. There's definitely a huge difference in between, but we have decided to go with this thing because it's so beautiful, and no matter how limited the sun is, and we can have it even underneath a tree, it's shining almost the whole night. So we are definitely going with this thing here, but it's up to you to decide which mode you want to use. But you can see it's very easy to take them off and put them back and choose the other setting. So I have it turned around, of course, but you still can see that it has an automatic sensor built in, and when the sun is shining they are charging, and during the night they are illuminating really nicely. So we are super happy with them. It's a huge upgrade to our front yard, and I can highly recommend them. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.